Hi everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about which hosting plan beginners should choose. And to make it very simple for you, if you are just starting, you should go with the premium plan. In this video I will explain why this plan is best and also show you how to buy it step by step. And yes, at the end I will also give you a bonus tip to save money, so make sure you watch till the end. So first let's understand why I recommended the premium plan. As a beginner, you don't need high-level resources. You just need a stable website, good speed, easy setup, and the premium plan gives you all of this. Plus one very important thing, you also get a free domain with this plan. So you don't need to buy a domain separately. Everything is included. That's why this plan is perfect for beginners. With this premium plan, you can create your first website, start a blog, build a portfolio, even create a small business website, and everything works smoothly without any confusion. Many beginners think they should go for higher plans, but honestly, you don't need them right now because you don't have high traffic, you're still learning, and you want to save money. So starting with premium is the smartest choice. You can upgrade anytime later. Now let me show you exactly how to buy the premium plan. First of all, click the link in the description. The official Hostinger website will open in front of you. Now click the claim deed button. After that, select premium plan. After selecting the plan, at the top you will see the option to choose your plan duration. Here I personally recommended choose minimum 12 months because it gives you better value and more benefits. Now scroll a little down and you will see the option to claim your free domain. Here you need to search for your domain name. Make sure you choose a unique name. After you search, if your domain is available, simply select it. Now one important thing, sometimes you may see a price on the domain. This usually happens if the domain period is set to 2 years. So what you need to do is change the domain period is to 1 year. Once you do that, you will see that the domain price becomes completely zero because it is included free with your hosting plan. Now you will see your order summary and here you can check all the details. You will also clearly see that a 20% discount is applied when you are buying through my link. After that, click on continue, create your account, confirm your details, and that's it. After that, you will be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard.